Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to link Discord to Twitch. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, open your Discord and make sure you have signed in into your Twitch account. So go back to your Discord and click on the settings and click on connections, and here you will find Twitch account. So all you have to need, just click above Twitch and here we can see my Discord has been successfully connected to my Twitch account. So this is how we can link Discord to Twitch. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.